good to see you. Happy holidays. Thanks for coming back. So today we're going to be opening up December 2019 Allure Beauty Box. Look at that gleam. Look at that silver. Look at that shine. Yes. For those of you unfamiliar with the Allure Beauty Box, it is a monthly subscription. Runs $15 a month. It is plus tax, so I end up paying roughly about $16.05 every month. It usually includes 5 beauty products, and you usually get a retail value of about $60 or a little bit higher. Although, if you are a new subscriber and you're interested in subscribing, I'll actually put a link down below where you can get $5 off your first box, and you also usually get an additional item included. Apparently this month is like a Hot Tools brush and a makeup eraser, so they're doing big things. So if you're interested in getting that, definitely click that link down below. Also, if this video is too much for you, my voice is grating on you, you can skip ahead. I'll also put some timestamps down below and you can just skip ahead and see what's included and what I think about each of the products. I'm also gonna put up some little highlights of what the editors say about the products, so don't take my word for it because I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah. Let's go back in time and see what I got included in my Allure Beauty Box for the month of December. First thing they have included is a little pamphlet, and this month it's actually a collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is Anastasia. It seems like every 3 months they end up doing a collab, and usually their collabs are amazing. All the other months I'm like, meh, not that great. But I am very excited to try out Anastasia Beverly Hills, see what they got included. When you open up the pamphlet, it has a full list of everything included this month, description as to how to use it, where you can buy it, how much the retail value is, and they usually also include coupons, so you can get a percentage off or some money off. Gotta save that money because the holidays are getting expensive. Yes, I know. I'm actually going to set this to the side. My face is freshly washed. Yes. So fresh and so clean. First Aid Beauty. And this is an Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. Ooh, and it says it's safe for sensitive skin, which is great. Now, my skin isn't that sensitive, but I'm not going to be mad at any product that says safe for sensitive skin. It says non-comedogenic. Comedogenic? What does that mean? Once the indoor heat goes up, my epidermis is as dry as a desert. Well, my face does get dry faster, but it's pretty oily, so I don't know about that. My solution has been moisturizer, face oil, repeat. This First Aid Beauty moisturizer is so lightweight, I had real doubts. And apparently this runs $24. This is actually a full-size product. For 50 milliliters, runs $24, so that's off to a great start actually. And this is what the spout looks like. Very interesting. Let's see how it comes out. Does it not work? Okay, it works. So that's what it looks like. Just a regular moisturizer. There doesn't seem to be any kind of fragrance on it. Is it fragrance free? It doesn't say it's fragrance free, but honestly I can't smell anything. Can't smell ya. Ooh, really lightweight. I don't know how well this is gonna work on my skin, especially in winter time. You know, New York winters are a different kind of beast. Right now it's 27 degrees and it's supposed to be a low of 3. I'm not thinking this is gonna hack it. For sure, it is definitely very moisturizing, very hydrating. I think this would be more of a summer moisturizer for me than winter. It's really lightweight. I need a little heavier for the winter time. But definitely still glad that I got this. It is not greasy at all, I can tell you that. It's from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this is a clear brow gel. Very nice, very silvery. And there is the wand. Doesn't smell like, it smells a little chemically, but you know, to be expected, right? What words of wisdom do they have about this clear brow gel? So it basically keeps the hairs in place. And for the editor, it says that this has become the ride or die. Lightweight consistency, it's wet when it swipes on, and the brows lie exactly where you want them to and stay there all day without feeling crunchy. And when you touch it, it doesn't feel schlacked. Full price runs $22. I guess this is a full-size product. Really small for $22, but I guess if it does what it's supposed to, why not, right? So I'm just gonna pencil in my eyebrows. I'll use this and I'll be right back. I got my eyebrows done. I'm okay with it. It's a little bit darker than what I'm used to, but they look fine. So this is what my eyebrows are looking like. They do feel a little crusty. So I don't know what she's talking about not feeling the gel. It's not bad though. I mean, how often do you actually touch your eyebrows? You can definitely tell like there was something on it. But I like how it came out. It's a lot darker, and I'm using the same brow pencil that I usually use, and everything seems to be in place, so I'm okay with that. Yay for the brow gel. Sadly, one of my eyes is larger than the other, which does not make me happy. And next I have Moonchild, which is a glow kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. That is gorgeous. And it's metallic powder highlights for intense luminosity. Complementing shades can be layered together to brighten cheekbones and décolletage, or worn separately over eyelids, brow bones, and inner corners of the eyes. Oh, it also includes a little card, a fine palette. To master the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Kit, we went straight to the master herself. Oh, so it comes with a little card, and at the back of it actually gives you tips as to which shades go best. And this runs $40, so we're at $80 already, like $84. Wow, jeez. There's no mirror included, which I'm okay with. I'm kind of tired of seeing mirrors. But that's what it looks like. 6 shades. They all look beautiful, actually. Ooh, it feels nice and soft and creamy. This is Blue Ice, Star, Purple Horseshoe. Blue Ice and Purple Horseshoe look exactly alike. Am I crazy here? Maybe Blue Ice is a little bit lighter, but it looks like the exact same shade. Pink Heart, Lucky Clover, and Blue Moon. So those are all the shades. I really truly believe that Blue Ice and Purple Horseshoe look exactly alike. I am going to actually use it as an eyeshadow since it says it's possible, and we shall see how it turns out. So they say Pink Heart and Star are the most wearable shades. Pink Heart is one of the most universally flattering and more subdued shades in the palette that would look good on any skin tone and will complement any look. Okay, super nervous. I usually don't use highlight as an eyeshadow, especially like glittery ones like this, but I am psyched to try it out, so I'll be right back. So I started out with Star. I'm actually using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. It has a glitter undertone to it, and I think it works really well with these highlighters. You can barely even tell the difference, but this inner corner is all Star and the rest is a primer. Pink Heart, I don't know if you can see it, like it's very, very subtle. Yeah, I'm not really sure why they say that you can use this as an eyeshadow. This would not be my first choice on this pink. Maybe I'm just not doing it right. She did say do it all over the eyelid, and I'm kind of like messing around with colors over here. Blue Moon on the outer edge, and basically just tried to blend everything together. Kind of coming up just as silver, but it's a really nice silver though. So I have my face all done. It's another Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is a liquid lipstick, and it's in the color Bohemian, and I think that is gonna look fabulous. Known for deep, richly pigmented makeup colors, Anastasia's liquid lip lives up to its well-earned reputation, and it is easier to get an appointment with. The formula is slick and paints on easily via a precise paddle applicator. Just be careful to stay within the lip lines to avoid an unintentional halo of color around the mouth. That's a little terrifying. So that is what it's looking like right here. Alright, so that's what the liquid lip looks like. It's like a reddish purple. It does go on really smooth. No drag, which is good. It's like perfect, actually. The last time I got an Anastasia Beverly Hills, it was like a bright pink that didn't work too well. I think I got that in an Ipsy. But this is just the Bohemian. Exactly what I need in my life. This is like perfect. It's like really bright and then like rounds it with the dark Bohemian color, the deep red. Very, very nice. Very happy with it.
Making me happy.
The Moon Glow palette isn't everything I hoped it'd be, but you know, it works. And yeah, I like the lipstick. I'm in love with the lipstick. This is probably one of my faves. Feels super light, glues on super easy, isn't sticky, which is great. And the liquid lip is $20. So we're already at what, $100? Nice. So next up we have a product from Christopher Robin, and it's a cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt. This is interesting. Never seen this before. And this glittering sticky paste that looks like it's made of crushed opals retails for $53. What? $53 for... It's a shampoo? Wow, that's crazy. And this is 40 milliliters. So what would this be? So this is roughly about $8. And it's a cleansing purifying scrub. I'm like baffled. Why does it say shampoo? It's ideal as a detox or post-coloring treatment. Oh wow, this is interesting. I guess that's the shampoo. It's like sticky. This is, yeah. Ugh. That's what it looks like. It's a weird sticky shampoo. Usually I avoid any hair products, but I gotta say this is very intriguing. So I'm probably going to try it out and see how it works. Apply in wet hair, massage the scalp, lather, then rinse. So it even lathers? So that's pretty cool. No parabens, no silicones, no colorants. Weird. Really weird. So this is like $8. So that's it. That's everything included in the box. Goodbye.